Hi everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to view saved passwords in Google Chrome easily. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now, go to the top right corner and click on the three dots. From the menu, move your cursor to Passwords and Autofill. Then, click on Google Password Manager. Here, you'll see all the passwords saved in your Chrome browser. If you're looking for a specific account, you can use the search bar at the top. For example, I'll search for Amazon. Once you find it, click on it. Now, Chrome may ask you to enter your computer password or PIN for security verification. After entering it, your saved password will be visible. You can also edit or delete the password from here if needed. You can also share your passwords by clicking the Share button, and that's how you can view saved passwords in Google Chrome. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.